Finding the best hand mixer for baking can feel confusing, especially when every kitchen and recipe is a little different. The short answer is this: the best hand mixer for baking is one that gives steady power, easy control, and comfort for everyday US home baking, from weekend cookies to holiday cakes. I've baked in small apartments and busy family kitchens, and I've learned that quiet motors, simple speeds, and easy cleanup matter just as much as power. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence, and all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Braun Multimix 5 Hand Mixer. I picked up the Braun Multimix 5 Hand Mixer when my wrist got tired from heavy mixing days. The first thing I felt was balance. The Smart Makes balance shifts weight into the bowl, not your hand. That makes long cookie or cake sessions feel easier. The 350W power drive gives fast results, even with thick batter or pizza dough. I like the smooth speed control. One hand adjusts everything, no stopping. The mixer feels light but strong. The soft grip helps when your hands are wet or tired. The whisk adds air fast. Dough hooks feel sturdy and reliable. Cleanup is simple. Parts rinse clean and go in the dishwasher. The chopper is handy for small prep, but the bowl is small. Still, for daily baking, this mixer feels smart, steady, and very comfortable to use. Number 4. Breville Handy Mixer BH800 SIL. I reach for the Breville Handy Mixer BH800 SIL when I want calm, smooth mixing with no mess. The first thing you notice is how quiet it feels. The Beater IQ tech adjusts speed on its own, so the mixer never jumps or splashes. The quiet scraper beaters glide along the bowl and pull everything in. No loud clanging, no dry spots left behind. This mixer feels solid but balanced. The handle sits naturally in your hand. Long mixing sessions stay comfortable. With 9 speeds and a boost, it handles soft dough and batters with ease. It's also one of the best hand mixers for whipping cream because the texture comes out light and even. Cleanup is easy and storage stays neat. The price is high, but the experience feels premium and stress-free every time. Number 3. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. I've used the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer for years, and it still feels great in hand. It's light, balanced, and easy to control. Speed 1 is gentle, so dry ingredients stay in the bowl. Speed 5 is strong enough for cream and eggs. I love the soft grip handle because my wrist never feels tired even during longer prep. The lockable cord side is another smart touch. You can switch sides and mix from any angle. This mixer shines with everyday cooking. It's honestly one of the best hand mixers for mashed potatoes because it blends smoothly without turning them gluey. Cleanup is fast thanks to the simple eject button and smooth cord. Power is not meant for heavy dough, so keep that in mind. Still, for daily baking and cooking, it feels reliable, calm, and very KitchenAid. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. I've used the Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer for quick bakes, and it feels simple in the best way. You plug it in and it just works. The motor has solid strength for daily mixing. I really like the quick burst power when dough gets thick. It helps push through without stopping. For the price, it honestly feels like the best hand mixer for dough if you bake often but don't want anything fancy. The snap-on case is another win. The snap-on case keeps beaters and whisk together so nothing gets lost. The bowl rest sounds small, but it saves messy counters. Cleanup is easy since the attachments are dishwasher safe. The mixer is a bit louder at high speed, and the plastic body feels basic. Still, for cookies, bread dough, and whipped cream, this mixer is reliable, affordable, and great for everyday home baking. Number 1. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer. I've used the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer during busy baking days, and it feels steady from the first mix. The motor has enough strength for thick batters, yet it stays controlled. I really noticed the smooth start control when mixing flour, no sudden splashes. That alone saves cleanup time. The speed range feels thoughtful, especially for cookies and frosting. It's honestly one of the best hand mixers for cookie dough when you want power without strain. The extra long beaters reach deep bowls and don't clog. Cleanup is easy since they go straight into the dishwasher. I also like the storage case. It keeps drawers neat, which matters in smaller kitchens. The mixer feels a bit heavier than basic models, so long sessions can tire your wrist. Still, for frequent baking, cakes, and dense doughs, this mixer feels reliable, smooth, and built for real home bakers. Final verdict. If you want a hand mixer that feels powerful, precise, and versatile for daily baking, I personally recommend the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer as the best overall product. Its smooth start tech and range of speeds make mixing batters, dough, and whipped cream feel easy and controlled. It's a reliable choice for frequent bakers who want consistent results. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly pick that still performs well, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is a solid option. It delivers good power, a quick burst boost, and useful storage without a high price tag. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the hand mixer that fits your style and need best.